how do you find Pakistani people and Pakistani food and culture? What do you say about this?
Well, I learned before I came here that the national sport was field hockey, right? And then probably the most popular sport is cricket.
Yeah.
But I really think the national sport of Pakistan is hospitality.
Oh.
I mean, Pakistanis know how to treat people kindly and nicely. I've lived all around the world. When you walk into someone's house here in Pakistan, it is filled with delicious food and smells, and it's just... And just the way people greet you as a guest in their country is really wonderful. Yeah. I felt very comfortable. It's just a great place to work. It's a great place to be and a great place to learn about a new country. We've had a lot of opportunities this year. We've had last year was the 75th anniversary of the Fulbright exchange program, which is really important for the U.S.-Pakistani relationship. And this year, 2026, is the 200th anniversary of the United States. But really, if there was some place I had to be during these key times, I'm happy it was in Pakistan, because Pakistanis and Americans are really in a good place right now.